Okay, this is our July 26th construction update from Chilem. So I'm standing up on the deck off the master bedroom. So it's a kind of view of the pool. This little space here will be a planter. And then keeping out here, this is the master bedroom. Again, nice big window looking into the backyard. And master bathroom, they got most of the walls up this week. That'll be our walk-in closet. Again, nice big window, but facing north, so it won't fade out our clothes or anything. So quite a bit of work done. I think we are still a little bit behind schedule, but they keep telling me we're not. Laundry room, it's coming together. So another busy week, but we're coming along. Thanks for watching.